How to fix WhatsApp images not downloading. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can fix if the images are not downloaded in WhatsApp. So without further delay, let's get started. First and foremost, check your internet connection and make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi or mobile data. If not, try to switch between your Wi-Fi or mobile data to test. If that's not your case, even if the internet is working all fine and you are not able to save your images, make sure that the application have its required permissions. For that, open up settings in your device, tap on apps, tap on see all apps, tap on the search icon at the top right. Now search for WhatsApp. Here tap on permissions and make sure that you have allowed the permissions for camera, photos and videos and all of the permission as required. If not, tap on it and allow the permissions. Once you have done that, now go back and try to save the image again. If that still does not help you, then check your device storage space. If your device storage space is full, then you won't be able to download any of the media from the WhatsApp. So in that case, you have to free up some space in your device. And if that still does not help you, then you have to get to the app info page of WhatsApp. For that, navigate to the application, tap and hold on it. Here, tap on app info. Once you're here, tap on storage and cache, and here, tap on clear cache. Once you do that, you have to close this settings completely, restart your device, and again restart the application, and that may help you solve your problem. And if still not, make sure that the application is up to date. For that, open up Play Store in your device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner and in the search bar, search for WhatsApp and make sure that the application is up to date. If there is any update available, make sure to install them all. And once you do that, all the solutions may help you fix your problem. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.